Oh, no kidding.
And you gotta show me your one, I don't have that picture, I cannot find it.
I can't find that one.
The thing there.
Same.
And then we let him show you the wine opener. And how
I
it-
like Molo Top Knot. That's very cute. Very cute.
Yeah, we all have a dog except for Archie and
What you got in your pocket?
everybody's got a dog.
With Archie, it turns
No,
out.
Alex doesn't have one either. Alex, oh, I thought whatever.
You still got a flip
He's got a
phone?
flip phone.
A flip
I
phone?
upgraded to a flip
Very
phone
pretty house.
from a flip phone back in the fall. I had one just like
They
it.
have things
I
now.
had an LG flip phone. It's like, I now have an iPhone 6 and I'm like,
It's like,
oh dear God, it was a learning curve.
I'm not kidding.
Did you get that out? Did you get that out of the museum?
Amazing.
That picture on the phone is fabulous.
They're on exit.
I don't have any stuff like that. I got some other ones. After that,
Yeah, I've got to, I have to do everything that I need to.
Have what?
And once I get through the design,
I got it.
need to start making
Are you serious?
Oh, that.
I've never gone that way.
I'm kind of like, I'm not able to do it yet.
Alex,
You gotta be-
and Jessica's
it's
new house
hard.
is, remember
Yeah.
Cheryl Busby
It's
Middle
hard.
School?
This book was so hard for me. I laughed and cried.
Their house is
book.
Yeah.
that's in
But
their
I knew,
backyard.
all I want to do is make sure Alex knew his family really
Too
well.
much,
and I
too
finished
much
it.
away from home.
Mission accomplished.
Very adorable.
He went through so
Was
much.
it on the same street as BC?
Out had some giggles.
No.
I had a lot of
Don't
giggles,
worry.
especially when you knew who like,
Oh,
we did a
yeah.
lot of these pictures together.
Yeah, it was the middle school, it was the middle school, they had the
Sure
round
did.
classrooms.
What's
I
up?
had some
They had the
giggles.
round pods, it was 2 blocks, if you came out of Abbott Road and you turned right, like you were heading towards 12th Street. Like where your apartment was.
Yeah.
Are you filming us?
But you turn left, of course, yeah.
Are you filming us?
I feel like that you had that.
No, you guys aren't that interesting.
There's a red light.
I'm waiting on something to happen.
Yeah, I feel like if there was a red light flashing, the camera, and like, he's sending this stuff too, not really.
I'm beaming it up
Brand new subdivision.
to Scotty.
Him and John Tetherwater out.
you had a noise.
Yeah, yeah.
He did get the MRI results. And he's going in for a shot. We'd have to call the doctor Monday morning.
Which is basically right behind
The doctor gave the placement of it or something, it decided, if the